Here's a 2017 Ford Taurus. Treat yourself to the driver's seat, then take off, embracing every curve and devouring straightaways. And it comes with all the amenities you need: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, app link, dual zone climate control, rear parking sensors, Bluetooth, manual tilting steering column, V6 engine, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Motor Trend highlights the dashboard and interior door panels are thickly padded, and the ambient lighting in the interior door pockets and footwells is as trick as in any German luxury car. The Taurus center stack expands out from a deep dash, cocooning the driver almost like a sporty car with a cockpit-style driver's seat. Ford is America's best-selling vehicle brand. Hurry in today for a test drive.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.